In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate furniture in Planner 5D. So to do this, you first want to click on whatever you want to rotate, like this if you are in 2D mode, and then you want to use this button, which when you hover over it, it says rotate. So click on it and then hold your left mouse button, and you can then go and rotate however you want, and then just release whenever you're ready, and that way you can rotate your furniture. There's also another way, which is inside the 3D mode. So if I go and of course click into 3D mode, for example, over here, I can go and select the object or of course the furniture I want to rotate, for example this bed, and the same thing is going to be possible. You can rotate it just like this, okay? Now of course you could also use this angle mode down here. So if you type in the angle, for example 15, and if you click out here, it's going to change the angle as well. So I can go to 2D over here, for example, as well, and then change the angle to, for example, I don't know, like maybe 60, and as you can see, it's going to change. If I do 75, it's changed again, and that way you can then rotate manually as well, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.